invest in Apple stocks and potentially earn money, follow these steps. Research and understand. Learn about Apple as a company, its products, services, financial performance, and future prospects. Stay updated on industry trends and news related to Apple. Choose a brokerage account. Open a brokerage account with a reputable online brokerage firm that provides access to the stock market. Compare fees, features, and user experience before making a decision. Fund your account. Deposit funds into your brokerage account. This can usually be done through a bank transfer or other accepted payment methods specified by the brokerage. Conduct research. Analyze Apple's financial reports, earning releases, and other relevant information. Consider factors such as revenue growth, profitability, product innovation, competition, and overall market conditions. Place a trade. Use your brokerage account to place a buy order for Apple stock. Specify the quantity and price at which you wish to purchase shares. Take note of any brokerage fees or commissions. Monitor your investment. Keep track of Apple's performance and stay informed about market trends and news that may impact the company's stock price. Consider setting up alerts or notifications for significant developments. Long-term approach. Investing in individual stocks, including Apple, typically carries risks. It's important to have a long-term investment perspective and not focus solely on short-term price fluctuations. Apple has historically shown growth and innovation, but market conditions can vary. Diversify your portfolio. Consider diversifying your investments across different stocks, sectors, or asset classes to manage risk. This can involve investing in other companies, bonds, mutual funds, or exchange-traded funds.